What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm actually going to be painting my Mugen rear lip. A lot of you guys wanted to see me paint the lip, and so why not? But before I actually get into like what I did to the lip, I did pick up paint. Most of you guys that follow my YouTube channel do know that I use pretty good paints most of the time. So this is my paint mixed into a can, and they're roughly almost $25 to $30 a can depending on how much like material or whatever they use. And this is of course 2K clear. This is what we are going to be using afterwards. It does have a hardener that you have to activate by using this red little lid right here. And yep, so that's that. I only got 2 cans of paint or base coat and then 1 can of 2K because that is all I need. And this is the current status of the lip. I fixed the crack tiles right here and all that. It's nice and smooth. Oh, this just has some dust from sitting. But yeah, I just gotta figure out how to like set this up in the backyard, because one is painting this will be really easy up here or over here, but painting behind here is gonna be kind of hard. So yep. And how I'm going to prep that is I'm gonna be using alcohol to prep it up or like wipe it down. And then also I just came back from Home Depot. I picked up tack cloth to pretty much like do the final wipe down. This picks up all like the little like sand marks, or not sand marks, but like all the little like leftover dust on it. And yep, this is like $2. So all this right here, this 3 was roughly $88. And that lip, yep, I just used some primer and filled in with some spot putty, like little small spots, and that's it. So I'm just gonna bring it to the backyard. I'm gonna figure out how to like place it and everything so I can get like full coverage around it really easy without having to move it. Let's figure this out. This is what I came up with. I'm just using a trash can and using the handles to lift it up. I want to be able to get around here, of course, and everywhere else perfectly, or coverage, nice coverage. And down here I could put the can down here and spray it. Also in here I can put my hand in the trash can and spray it down here. And down here it's got a lean, yeah, but the only thing is paint's not gonna get right here, but you don't really see this part, or it's not even touching actually. Okay, and now what I'm gonna do is get one of these tack cloths, wipe it down. That's when you have to shake this. The directions on these cans are actually really good. You should follow them. I've learned a lot from using these cans or this type of paint. Get to cleaning it up and yeah, get started on painting. Now what you want to do is shake your can, and it's already tacked off, or I use a tack cloth on it. And I don't think I'm gonna show you guys how to spray it. The first coat you have to be very light with, and then what you want to do is follow the shape. When you paint stuff with the shape, you have to spray pretty much like this. Don't go straight or up, just follow the curve of the lip or whatever you're painting, and it will come out a lot better. It'll be a lot more better coverage. But yep, I'll probably time lapse this if anything, because I don't want paint to get on my new camera. Paint overspray is pretty bad. Also wear a mask. I have a mask, and yep, we're gonna use it. Yeah, nothing special. Just lay the first coat very light. Second coat semi heavy, or not really heavy, semi, well, a little bit more coverage. And then third coat is when it's heavy, and the fourth coat heavy. And yep, so let's get to this. Before, guys, this is before. I take that back. I don't have a mask, so buy a mask, guys. And I'm just gonna fuck it. No mask today. It's okay. Okay. So this is the first coat. Very light. You guys can kind of see it. Won't spray too much on the first coat. And now I just gotta let it sit for 10 minutes and then move on to the second coat. And it should be good. I am fighting against the wind right now. It kind of sucks, but hopefully the wind stops on the second coat. It's wasting all my paint. Okay, so I went ahead and added the second coat. I was going live on my Instagram, so I didn't really film it on my camera, but slowly but surely the shade of, well, pretty much all the white is going away, and the black, I'm having a hard time getting it in here. So I think on the next coat I'm gonna focus on this area and also right here. But so far looking a lot better. Yep, so now I'm just gonna let this dry for another 10 minutes, then start moving on to everything else. Hopefully that didn't fuck up, because I don't know why it's white right there. Oh wait, probably not enough paint, but it should be okay. Oh, painting stuff is expensive. Kind of scary sometimes, you know? But a shop would charge me a lot more. What's up, fool? Fine, don't look. Alright, so this is the 4th coat. I focused on pretty much the outside. There's spots I need a, well, I kind of sprayed too much right here so you can see it. I gotta spray the rest down. I feel like the lip's having a paint reaction right now. I'm guessing I didn't prep it right, but we will see once I start adding clear coat. And I still gotta get down in there, but it's so damn hard. Like, just the way it's angled. And just like, it's really annoying to get to. I can't really get to the lip, or I can't really get under here without like getting the can so close and then have a run. But worst case scenario, I probably will just plastic dip that black or something. But you guys can kind of see there's like weird spots. So I'm adding more coverage, and then we'll see. I feel like the clear coat might fix it, but right at this rate, I probably fucked it up. But we will know. But I ain't no professional by any means, and we'll just gotta wait and see what happens to the lip. We'll start adding clear coats. Damn. So the first coat of clear has been laid on, and so far looking really good. The only issue I have is right here. You guys can't see, it's a bit fuzzy, so I might have my friend Victor sand it down and buff it out. But besides that, yep, this is only one coat, and then still got half a can, or more than half a can, and finish it all off. But yeah, and then you can see there's spots, but it's actually going away, the spots, as the clear is sitting. Before there's a lot more, but yeah, let's just keep going with it. Right here it kind of bugs me though. You guys can kind of see that. Yeah, sucks, but it's okay, my fault. Second coat of clear has been added. You can finally see the reflection, but also that bad spots, but coming out a lot better. You're just gonna have a lot of orange peel, but easily I could buff it out or wet sand it and then polish it. And I cannot get in there, so yep, fuck it. I mean, it does look like a shadow reflection. Like I said, I ain't a professional. This is just me trying to save some money, and I can bring it to the shop, but the shop would charge me a lot more because there was like imperfections and everything. But yeah, coming out a lot better though. Now once it cures, it gets super glossy. Right now it looks dull, but it gets really glossy. You just have to give it like 24 hours and it should look really good. Okay, so I used up my whole can of 2K clear, completely gone, and it seems that I have kind of fixed the fuzziness on that one side, but you can still kind of see it. So hopefully Victor, when he wet sands this, when it's fully cured, then it'll completely like be gone. But right there, it just has like weird specks, but the thing is this fuzziness isn't sticking out. I guess I laid the clear coat thick enough so it like hid all that. But yeah, you can see that patch right there. But it would be, well, it's fixable. I just don't know how to do it, but like this side came out good. What is my dog doing? Hey, you good, bro? Alright, hey, what are you doing? Alright, well, he must be bored being stuck behind here, but yeah, it came out really glossy. Just that spot kind of sucks. But from here, like, you don't see that. Yep. And uh-oh, that is bad. It is turning white. I have no idea why. Well, I kind of fucked up the paint on this lip, but it is not black at least. And yeah, for some reason, like when I painted my CTR rear lip, my grill, my mirrors, I had no issues. But when I started painting fiberglass, that's when I started kind of having a little bit more issues. I think I should have let it dry because I think the fiberglass, like it stays soaked or something like that, because I washed it. But I don't know if you see that. It's turning white right here. I don't know why, but you know what? Fuck it. It is what it is. I can send it to shop to let them like professionally do it, but at this time I don't feel like it. I'm just gonna run it like that, and yeah. So yeah, my card isn't perfect, guys, but that is that. Very happy though. Super glossy. It's turning more white. Hopefully when it fully cures it's not white. I don't know why. It's just white right there. This is so odd. Currently the next following day, so it has been 24 hours, got off of work and checked on the lip, and the clear coat decided to like hide a lot of the imperfections when it cured. And yeah, earlier I said there's like a white spot here, but I guess after the clear coat cured, it's like not even there anymore. And you can still see like it's a bit rougher here, so I'll have Victor wet sand it. But yeah, very happy with the results. I know it could be better, but it is what it is. I think the easiest way to put this lip on without scratching it is jacking up the car and taking off the OEM hardware for the CTR lip. And there's 4 bolts behind there. I think I don't need to take off the wheel. It should be good, and it should clear the exhaust. So that's like with the CTR lip. You can see that it's lighter too, so hopefully this one's darker, but it's hard to say until we put it on. I took off all the hardware, or all of these 10 mils. They use the OEM hardware, like my spoon lip and all that, and I could finally clean up all the clear coat that Victor sanded off. And here's a quick tip: if you guys want to take off screws that are right here, but your tire's in the way or your wheel's in the way and you don't want to take off your wheel, easiest thing to do is grabbing one of these like little Phillip head bits with this is a 1/4. Put it in there like that, and then you just do this. Oh wait, just like that. Easiest thing ever. So I got the CTR lip off, and most of the times on replica CTR lips, you can tell if they're fake because they sag a lot and they're a lot more bubblier depending on the company that makes them. The reason why OEM CTR lips sit so perfect is because it is OEM and the mounting brackets that they use. But yep, and these little 10 mils go in there, and then it has like a fatter side to it, so it can center itself or sit really well. But yep, so I put the hardware back and tuck it away. Alright, so it is on. I had to do a little bit more modification to the holes that I drilled before when I plastic dipped it, but now it lines up perfect like OEM fitments. And check that out. It might not be everybody's taste, and you can see that it is lighter, but I mean, same with my lip and my grill and stuff, but I am beyond happy. This thing looks so good. That exhaust fitment, perfect. And it looks crooked, but it's the way the exhaust is. Wow, that thing looks so cool. Yeah. That thing looks so cool. Oh man. Alright guys, I think that would be the end of this video. Let me know what you guys think. I could care less what you guys think, but you know, it's always good to hear what people think about this lip. Yeah, that thing is definitely lighter for sure. Yeah guys, don't sell it, just keep building. Stay tuned for everything else. Peace out.